Hello, yeah, welcome back to Crypto King. On this video, we're going to look into Baby XRP. So we'll see whether this could be another Baby Doge. As you can see from here, that it has gone up over 1000% in the last 7 days. So we are going to see where this could go. I would really like you to do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. As you can see that we have been growing very fast, and thanks so much to all my subscribers. You can do this by clicking on the subscribe button written below this video, click on the bell and click on all, and by doing this you get notifications whenever I make new videos. And may you be blessed as you support my channel. Before we continue, please understand that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your money. Let's get in. We are here on PooCoin and we're looking at Baby XRP, and as you can see from here that it's pumping today, and it pumped very hard yesterday and day before yesterday. But I still think that it's very early if you are getting in right now. Look at the market cap, $9.9 million. That is approximately $10 million. That means that before it gets to $100 million, that's 10 times of your investment, and before it gets to $1 billion, that's 100 times of your investment. And we are here on BSC scan and we are looking at Baby XRP, and as you can see from here that the number of holders right now is 4,873. Now from here you can imagine what will happen before we get to 100,000 holders, 200,000 holders, 500,000 holders. If there could be so much hype around this like that of Baby Doge, then it means that you are getting in very early. We are here on babyxrp.org, and this is the official website. And from here you can copy the contract. I'll leave the contract in the description of this video so that you can copy it from there and make sure you buy the correct token if you want to buy this. And from here you can see this, you can buy this token. You can connect your wallet from here and buy this token here. And now let's look at the tokenomics. And tokenomics says here liquidity 5%, ripple effect 5%, bond 2%, team 2%, marketing 3%. Now look at this. Baby XRP is a deflationary coin, meaning that as time goes on the total supply will reduce. 2% of every transaction will be sent to a dead wallet, being burned from the total supply forever, increasing the value of the remaining tokens. Now let's look at the 3% marketing. Baby XRP is here to stay. 3% of every transaction will be sent to the marketing wallet. Marketing funds to be spent on continuous future marketing and advertising to ensure that we will continue to attract new investors and holders. Now, let's look at the 5% liquidity. 5% of every transaction will be sent directly to the liquidity of the coin itself. This ensures that the liquidity keeps a healthy ratio in comparison with every holder and marketplace. 2% for the team. 2% will be sent to the team wallet for the team and staff. Then 5% ripple effect. To be eligible, starting 2 hours after the launch, you need to hold for 7 days. Every 3 days, all diamond hand holders will receive XRP rewards, a drop to their wallet based on the holdings percentage of the total supply. Now they're trying to say that by just holding this Baby XRP, you will receive the main XRP in your wallet, but that's going to be after 3 days. After 3 days of your holding, it's not just if you buy it today you receive XRP today. No, you have to hold for at least 3 days, and this is for diamond holders. And I don't really know what it takes to become a diamond holder, but we'll get to find out more as time goes on. Now let's keep going down, and now we are looking at the team. Number 1 is Cash Bash, since 37, American entrepreneur, co-founder of Baby XRP project, builder of Men, crypto analyst. Number 2 is Tender Franklin. So one thing you need to understand about all these meme coins is that they don't use to disclose their founders. They don't use to disclose the team. That's one thing you need to understand. The research that you need to do is to check whether that can be rug pulled. Now don't misunderstand me. I don't say that it doesn't make sense knowing the team behind it, but most times they don't use to disclose their team. The most important thing that I think is the best to do is to just check if that token can be rug pulled. And now let's just check if this can be rug pulled. Let's just copy the contract from here. This is the contract address. We copy it and we are going to Token Sniffer to check about this token to know if this can be rug pulled. And now let me paste this here and I search for it. From here you can see that this is the BSC scan link here, and now the home page is their website announcement page. This is the Medium page, and now the Twitter page here again. Date deployed, this is Sunday 4th July 2021. So this just deployed 8 days ago, and from this methods here you can see that it passed all the tests. Number 1, verified contract source. Number 2, no prior similar token contracts. Number 3, source does not contain a proxy contract. And number 4, source does not contain a possible contract. So from here you can see that it passed all the tests. And now when you have done this type of research, then you can decide to buy it. And don't forget that this is not a financial advice. All these tokens, they are still very risky because they are meme coins. Now let's get back here. Now let's just look at the roadmap. Roadmap will be published soon. In the meantime, we have some important information for the community. Baby XRP. Many malicious projects in the Binance Smart Chain space have thrived because of lack of information for new investors in the space. By providing education and discussion regarding trading crypto, we change our investors' life by providing them with the tools they need to avoid those tokens. Baby XRP provides a safe BSC token to invest in with liquidity locked in perpetuity and rewards in the form of legacy XRP. Rather than providing reflections in native token or a buyback mechanism, Baby XRP provides rewards in legacy XRP to reward holding the token and avoid investors being subject to the complexity of an impermanent loss seen when staking LP in farming apps. Baby XRP also utilizes an automatic liquidity pool to replenish the liquidity of the token on every transaction. The contract will collect tokens from each transaction, adding them to the liquidity pool. This creates stability for the token and supports the price flow. We use several mechanisms to encourage holding the tokens. We don't use bots to manipulate price or attempt to pump and dump the token. The requirements to hold tokens for 3 days to get the XRP rewards. We also encourage investors to hold. The tax on each transaction is also an encouragement to hold. Every transaction is taxed 17%. So this is very, very high. So you need to set your slippage to around 20% or so in order for the transaction to go successful. So that one thing you need to understand. You set it in your PancakeSwap before you can be able to buy this. You have seen it. What we have seen before is normally 10%, 12%, but you can see that this one is 17%. So if you set, I actually used 22% slippage for the transaction to go successful. Number 1 here says liquidity is locked till 2099 using DXLock. So you can check this for yourself using this link here. So they mean that the liquidity is locked till 2009. That's very, very far, many years in the future. In addition, we provide an inclusive community with 24-hour voice chat to educate our fellow investors on how to trade safely, grow their money, and make smart decisions when investing on the Binance Smart Chain. The project uses a fully dosed developer team, further instilling trust and safety for the investors. So that is it for this Baby XRP. I already bought the token and I think that it has so many potentials. You can decide to buy for yourself. And don't forget that the mechanism that I use in all these meme coins is that I just put what I can afford to lose, and then whatsoever happens just happens. If I have like 5x, 10x, I just cash out some of the money and leave the rest to see where it could go. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your coming here. I have the link to our Telegram group in the description of this video. You can join my Telegram group so that you can be getting some updates. For example, I already posted about this Baby XRP in the Telegram group before making this video. So make sure you join our Telegram group to get updated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me that favor by clicking on the subscribe button written below this video. Click on the bell and click on all. By doing this, you get notifications whenever I make new videos. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also share with your friends. Bye bye.